Want to swing and a drive, left field and deep.
Quick unboxing of the Blast Motion Power Sensor by Easton. Basically the contents are a charger, the actual sensor, and an adapter. You also get a sticker. Got a little mid. We have a mid battle at the end, so stay tuned. But the basic process of getting started is you want to take the sensor and charge it. There's an indicator here. I believe it turns blue when the sensor is completely charged. From there, you attach it to a bat using this adapter here. That's us. Sledgeline Baseball. There's also a process of downloading the app onto your mobile device and signing up. It'll basically walk you through that process. And once you have the sensor paired or synced with your mobile device, you're ready to go. Don't do.
Stop it.
All right, they want you to see it.
I don't know. I want to do something.